Good morning, everybody. My name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale. I am a full-time reseller and I go to thrift stores, curbs, maybe a few new things here in the future. I have some ideas, but anyway, we are going to Thrift World today, and it's in a smaller town. I'm not going to say it's not small by any means. It's 10,000 people. It's got multiple stoplights, but smaller than Des Moines, where I normally thrift, and I normally find some really good items. Thrift World today is 50% off, so that is why I'm going. I'm going to be strapping on my GoPro, and we're going to see what we can find. So when I first showed up here, I did not have a cart. This place was totally packed for half off day. I've never been to half off day at Thrift World, so that was a rude awakening. I had to do part of my shopping without a cart, but I stopped at the vintage section first, and the lady rolled out the cart, and I scored my very first score, which were these awesome Fry harness boots. There was a point in this trip where I did not have a cart, and so I was just in the vintage section and somebody was rolling out a cart of shoes, and I spotted these. I knew exactly what they were, so I ran over and grabbed them off the cart. She was happy. It was totally fine. She was like, that's one less pair that I have to put away, and I'm like, I wish every employee was like you. But these are Fry boots, and they wanted $25 for these, which is fine. It would have been a great deal for somebody just shopping, but I paid $12.50 and hoping to get 75. I'm not sure what this style is going for. I know like the taller riding boots are not going very well, but this style might still be doing well. I'm going to say 50 to 75. I'm not sure what's going on with my GoPro, but I did find this really, really cool vintage tiered dress, but she's going fast forward. She's got a mind of her own. My camera. Sorry, guys. I am telling you guys, the vintage that you can find at small town thrift stores is unmatched because you don't have all of the reseller competition that you do in the bigger cities. So look how beautiful this little tiered dress is with the bow on the back. I paid $5 for this. The brand is Patra, which the brand really doesn't matter on pieces like this because people are really shopping based on style. But this little dress is beautiful. This is actually not attached. It just kind of like lays on your back. Ah, it is beautiful. I don't know if it has a size tag, which I probably should have looked at, but this is amazing. The next thing I found was this amazing little kids tracksuit. In the vintage section was this cute little, like, I don't know, 80s tracksuit for little kids. This is adorable. It does not have a brand tag. I'm gonna have to keyword the crap out of this, but it's so cute. Look at it. Look at all the patterns. And it also comes with matching pants with the little star on it. I'm thinking, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm gonna price this high, and maybe a, movie studio will need this for a, time period movie. There is such an awesome vintage section at this thrift store, but they tend to price it up. A lot of it's priced at $15, $20. I would not be interested if it was not half off day. I did find this tweedy little, what is this, overall dress, but I didn't end up getting it. The quality just wasn't there on that one, but I did pick it up for now. I did grab these Born shoes. I cannot leave Born shoes behind because they are such good quality, but they are slow movers. Cannot leave behind Born shoes. These have this really cool like knit at the top. They look great on the bottom. They were priced at $7, so I got these for $3.50. I'm gonna price them at $25 to move them fast. I did not get very good footage, but I found 2 pairs of these really trendy Torrid shoes in a size 13 double wide, so such a great size. I found 2 pairs of Torrid shoes today in really, really great styles. This is a size 13 double wide, I'm pretty sure, because I found another pair as well that were a 13 double wide. But these are very on trend right now. I'm super happy. I think I paid $7.50 for these because they were $14.98, and I should be able to get 50 to 60 for these. Had some really nice shoes up in this store, and the only reason why they have nice shoes is because they price them up. So these are Torrid, and they are a size 13, I believe. These are a size 13 double wide. So I think I can charge like $60 for these probably. They are a very on-trend style. They were wanting $14.99 for them. If you were a size 13 double wide, this would be a great price for you, but I paid $7.50 and I think I can get really good money for these.
Yay! I finally got a cart about half an hour into my trip. Oh gosh, it was just a zoo in this store. I almost picked up a jewelry jar. I think it was priced at $12 or $15, but I don't know. Jewelry is just not really my jam. I also found this wish list little boutique vest. I was very hesitant on buying it, but I did end up paying $5 for that. It did sell though, so that was pretty awesome.
Wish list little like J. Crew vest dupe. This I bought to sell locally. I know a lot of boutiques are around here, and so people love to boutique shop. This is something that would totally be in a boutique, and it does still have the tag on it. I'm not sure how much it retailed for. I'm gonna guess around $50, and I paid $5.
I did not get very good footage of these Born slides either, but they were cheap.
I always find Born shoes for super cheap, and they're always in like perfect condition, so I always pick them up. They're not a fast sell through. You're gonna be sitting on these. But with shoes, I just love a good quality leather shoe, so I got these little slides. These were priced at $4, so I got them for $2, and I'm not sure what size they are. We'll figure that out later, but hoping to get at least 20 to 25 for these.
So obviously I need to get the GoPro out a little bit more, but I did find this Old Navy dress.
Like dark floral midi dress in a size 4XL was $3.50. And that's one of the reasons I picked it up. Obviously it is a 4XL. It is harder to find, and it is this beautiful dark floral. This would be beautiful at a pumpkin patch or anything like that. So I am excited to list this.
This was a hard one to leave behind. It was like a patchwork, really pretty quilt, but it didn't have a tag on it, and it was pretty thin. I could not say it was handmade. And then I found this amazing, like, Wrangler diaper bag. It was a handmade piece, very beautiful construction on it, and it was just so cool. It was only priced at $5, so I paid $2.50 for it, and I was struggling to keep it.
This Wrangler bag is so cool. I only paid $2.50 for this, and it is handmade. It has a hard bottom. I'm not sure how I'm gonna sell this. I have an idea that I'm gonna sell this locally, but we'll see. $2.50 buy cost. This is like lined with like cowboy lining. Wrangler is super popular right now, and it's like that Western feel. I can see somebody using this as a diaper bag. It's so cute. But anyway, I'm thinking $30, maybe even $40. The craftsmanship is amazing on this. You never know what you're gonna find at the small town thrift.
I did end up leaving this Torrid sweater behind. It was not a large size and it was pilled pretty bad, but this style in a larger size I think would probably do pretty well. Comps were actually pretty good, but I did not get it because of size and condition. This sweet honey dress was adorable, and it was only $1.50, so I went ahead and grabbed it as I was grabbing clothes for my own kid, and yeah.
This is a beautiful little sweet honey dress, and I paid $1.50 for this as it was half off, and it is a size 3T. It is so adorable. I got a bunch of stuff for my kids. This is your sign to shop secondhand, because I got like a bunch of stuff for next season for under $10 that I will save in my basement until it is time for them to wear it. But just buying things in the sizes up and waiting will save you so much money. But anyway, this little sweet honey dress is adorable. It will probably go for $15 to $20 plus shipping.
Then I found this cute Hannah Anderson pullover. They don't go for a ton, but I just love the quality of these, and it was pretty cheap.
Got this beautiful Hannah Anderson pullover. Look at the detail. I am obsessed with this. It's a size 90, which probably is a 2T or a 3T. I got this for $2, thinking it's gonna sell again for $15 to $20.
I find it so funny what the thrift stores price up and what they don't. So these Skechers shape ups, like fine. Skechers shape ups are probably pretty good, but not $20 good. At least not anymore. But they did price these bed stews, which is a really good brand, at $10. So I did score these for $5.
Really funny what thrift stores will miss. So these are Bed Stew, which is a really good brand, and these look really, really good on the bottom. They were priced at $10, so I got them for $5. They are a men's size 9.5. I should be able to get at least $50 for these, if not more.
Now, I would not pay $7.50 for this pullover for resale, but I did get it for my husband. We are Under Armour obsessed, and he loves it. And then I did find these Rock Revivals. They were priced at $20, but they are a men's style, so I did pay at $10 for those still.
These Rock Revivals were in the women's section, but they're actually men's. They're just a really small size. They are a size 27, and they're the Coif Slim Boot. There was probably a point in time where I would have paid $20 for these, but on half off day for a men's Rock Revival jean, I will pay $10 for them still. And I think I can get at least $40, $45, $50 for these. The men's styles do so much better than the women's, as you know, most brands do.
These were maybe I shouldn't have picked them up, but they were a plus size 18, a cute Aztec print style, and they had that cute little fringed hem. They were only $3.50, so why not?
Now, this brand is a boutique brand. It's L&B or Lucky and Blessed, and this is like really popular in the southern, like I'm gonna say Texas boutiques, but I have seen it around here a little bit, but it's this really cool like Western Aztec print with the raw hem cropped jeans. These are in a size 18, and I only paid $3.50 for them, hoping to list them for $25.
Venus is a pretty trendy catalog brand. I used to get the catalogs all the time, but these were a plus size and they were a flare, and they had some really cool detail at the bottom, so I figured for $5, sure.
Are one of my favorite things to sell, and these Venus jeans were adorable. Look at all of the detail. They are a flare, they have a raw hem, and they also have all this pearl and embellishment and like a crossover seam. These are very, very trendy, and they are a great size. They are a size 22. I only paid $5 for these, and I am hoping to list them for $25 to $30.
I feel like I have such a soft spot for buckle brands, and they don't sell very well. I did used to work there, so I did love working there, so that is why I probably picked these up.
These Big Star jeans were $5. I don't know if I would have bought them if they were any more than $5, but they are the Joey boyfriend fit, and they are a size 29. And I always think, you know, if I saw these at a garage sale for $5, would I buy them? Yes. They no longer make Big Stars. I'm not sure how this boyfriend style does, but I know that I can get at least 20 to 25. So this is really my, you know, cap for a $20 to $25 item. So happy to pick these up.
Then I did ask this lady to bring down these boots from the priced up section, and I did end up getting both of them.
This Thrift World has a priced up section behind their counter, so I did pull a few things. They had like a Coach purse with like cigarettes in the pocket, like used cigarettes in the front pocket for $100. Like, no one's even gonna pay $20 for that. I'm sorry. But they had these little baby Roper infant size 3 boots. These are leather, and they had them priced at $15, so I did pay $7.50, but they are new with tags, so I should be able to get at least $30, $35 maybe for these. So I was willing to pay $7.50. Also in the priced up section, they did have these little like brand new looking baby Sorels. These were also priced at $14.99. So I did pay $7.50 for these. They should sell for $35 to $40. I think I found some amazing stuff today. I am so excited to get all of this stuff listed. When I am shopping, I am just very, very careful to not pick things up that I'm not excited about. So I'm gonna get all this stuff probably listed today. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.